All right, my people, welcome back to another video. In today's video, what I'm going to do is share some of the top 5 dropshipping products that I've found through TikTok. That is the way that I source a lot of products, test a lot of products, and I want to take you along the journey, share the experience on me trying to build a successful and sustainable dropshipping store. So one of the things that I do as I'm still learning, and I would, full disclaimer, I have not had a successful dropshipping store. I'm still learning. I'm still trying to figure things out, but I would like to share some of the things that I do because it may be useful for some people that are watching and vice versa. It may be something that you can help me with. So please put it in the comments below so that we can all learn. First thing that I do, I go to TikTok and I'm going to split my screen and put it on the left so that you can see it. So what I do, I like to go to TikTok, type in TikTok made me buy it, and then filter from the last few months to last week. So from a month ago to a week ago. And that way you can see all of the products that people have been posting that went viral, and you can create a brand around those products because they have some type of credibility and social proof. And those two allow you to create products, duets, and sounds around the sounds that have already been created on TikTok so that you can market for free and test further. Then if those work, you can go beyond that Facebook, TikTok ads platform so that you can actually market with money. But do not sleep on the ability to market with free posts on TikTok because the ability to go viral is very easy compared to other platforms. So let's get straight into it. The first is the fingerprint door handle or fingerprint door lock. It's really simple. The selling point is a bit high, so that may be an issue, but the point of the product is to create privacy between your door, your room, your kids, whoever it may be, people, rental properties, and you can have a fingerprint door lock. So it only unlocks with your finger and the spare key, but it's a unique tool and it allows you to have create access, and it has a wow factor, which a lot of products on TikTok do, and that creates this sense of virality that allows people to create and sell products on TikTok. Next is this anxiety stress reliever ball. Not really in depth, I can't really explain it, but it's a ball that vibrates, if I'm not mistaken, and I've seen a lot of people repost it. I've seen it on my feed, and I've seen a lot of likes and engagement on the comments under a lot of the posts, which create social proof again, and people have demand for it so that you can provide this product for people who actually need it. You solve a problem, and there's a problem with anxiety and people who need to be relieved of stress, and you have a product that solves that problem. Next is the clothes. It's a measuring device for clothes. So when you purchase online, a lot of people have this issue of not being able to correctly size their clothes, and it requires them to send a lot of products and clothing items back. But with this clothing device, it allows you now to be able to find your true size so that you can pick and choose clothing accurately the first time around. It's a product that a lot of people could use, including myself, especially in the given environment of COVID. That way you would have a good opportunity and chance to purchase a product first time go around and not have to send it back out. Now, a lot of people do purchase through Amazon, so that it gives you, some reliability as far as I can do refunds, returns. But if you are purchasing through your Shopify stores and brands, you'd like to know, hey, I want to get it right the first time. This product allows you to do it because you can measure your arms, your neck, your waist, thighs, whatever it is, so that you can find the accurate size for your clothes. Next is a wax on roller. Instead of women having to go out and purchase these wax jobs at these, wax places that they go to, or it can be unisex, but majority of the comments is why I say this, were women. You can do the wax treatment. It's a roll-on wax, and you get the paper that you put on, rip it right off. It's a lot of the reason I chose this product for this video is because I've seen a lot of engagement on the TikToks that I've seen, and a lot of people, and women specifically, have a desire to get this product. So that's another one that I found, and you can do your research and find it on AliExpress. Do your research watching videos on TikTok, look through the engagement, see how people want it, some of the questions they have, so that you can solve a pain point that people may have when purchasing this product. And then lastly, I wanted to choose a wow product. It's just a magnetic pen. It gives you, it's like a fidget spinner. Like, there's nothing to it. It's a pen at the end of the day, but it has some features that allow it, make it almost like a gadget. And that's what makes it cool. At the end of the day, it's a pen, but It's gone viral on TikTok. It has some social proof. People want it because it's more than just a pen, especially when you're at home working or you're in the office. It gives you something to do, similar to like a fidget spinner. So it's a cool product. It's something unique that you can advertise as like a viral product, but it doesn't solve a pain point. It's a pen at the end of the day. So it's more of something that has a wow factor. So those are the 5 products that I went through. To read them over again and summarize it really quickly, you have the fingerprint door lock, the anxiety stress reliever, the ball that vibrates. You have the clothes measuring tape that you can use so that you can accurately measure yourself for purchasing online. You have the wax roll-on stick. And then lastly, you have the magnetic pen, which is more of a wow product. So I hope this was useful for you. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have some things that you want to call out and say, hey, Wes, you can do this better, or look into different platforms so that you can find different products, drop them below, because at the end of the day, we're all trying to grow. So if you enjoyed the video, slap the like button. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video, man.